Hello and welcome to Cancers 101, where we explore the intersections of innovation and biology. I'm your host Ritika, and in today's episode, Aditi and I will delve into the frontiers where synthetic biology meets oncology. We're discussing how scientists are reprogramming cellular mechanisms to target and treat cancer more precisely than ever before.
Thanks, Ritika. It's great to be here. This is such an exciting space where biology and engineering comes together to offer real therapeutic possibilities.
Absolutely. Let's start with the basics. Synthetic biology gives us tools like CRISPR and engineered T cells that allow us to manipulate cellular behavior with incredible accuracy. How are these tools being applied in cancer therapy?
CRISPR, for instance, enables targeted gene editing. In cancer, we can use it to correct mutations or disrupt genes that tumors rely on. Meanwhile, engineered T cells, such as CAR T cells, are trained to recognize specific markers on cancer cells, allowing the immune system to mount a focused attack.
That's fascinating. But synthetic biology isn't just about killing cancer cells, right? There's also research into reprogramming them, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, that's a promising direction. Some studies aim to reverse cancer cells back to a more normal developmental state or induce apoptosis, that is, programmed cell death. So the cells essentially self-destruct.
And then there's the tumor microenvironment, which supports cancer growth. How does synthetic biology approach and address this?
This is one of the biggest challenges. The tumor microenvironment involves complex interactions, including altered cell adhesion via proteins like integrins and catherins. Synthetic therapies are being designed to disrupt these signals and make the environment less supportive of tumor survival and invasion.
It's like changing the soil so the weed doesn't grow, right? So these interventions require a lot of precision, I'm assuming.
Exactly. That's why ethical and safety considerations are just as important as the science. We are dealing with powerful tools and careful applications in key.
Thank you, Aditi, for breaking down this so clearly. This field is moving rapidly, and the potential it holds is extraordinary.
It was a pleasure, Ritika. The future of cancer treatment is being rewritten, one cell at a time.
And with that, we wrap up today's episode. Thank you for joining us. Stay informed, stay inspired, and we'll see you next time.